So can you tell me what is the proton number?
Proton number.
Hmm.
I'm not sure what it is.
Okay, so let me tell you. So you have your notebook and pen ready with you, right? In which you are making the notes.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at your notes and tell me, have you written this slide, proton number?
Wait. I'll check it.
Yes, please open your notebook. So let me tell you what is the proton number. The proton number, as the name suggests, number of, as you know, what is a proton? Proton is a positively charged particle in the nucleus of an atom. Remember?
Yeah. Yes.
So proton number is nothing. It is the number of protons in an atom is called its proton number. Number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is called its proton number. So if we talk about sodium, sodium atom has 11 protons. How do you know that sodium atom has 11 protons? By looking at your periodic table. If you look at your periodic table, you can find out that the atomic number or proton number is also called as atomic number. So these words are one and the same thing. So sodium atom has 11 protons. So if I say that I am having an element which is having 11 protons, so you can easily identify by looking at your periodic table that ma'am is talking about sodium whose chemical symbol is Na. If I ask that I am having an element whose proton number is 12. So you look at your periodic table, at the atomic number 12 is your magnesium. Okay, that's why it's written that this number can be used to identify an atom, because only a sodium atom in the periodic table, it has 11 protons. No other atom in the periodic table can have 11 protons. Every other atom has a different number. So you can identify an atom by the number of protons in it. If I ask you what is the proton number, so it's very simple. Number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is called its proton number. For example, the proton number of sodium is 11. Okay, so
Yes.
My next question is, write down the proton number of carbon, write down the proton number of oxygen, write down the proton number of hydrogen, and write down the proton number of aluminium. So look at your periodic table and please tell me all the answers and write this slide. You have to look at your periodic table because you have to, basically these are very easy. Because I have given you, there are 118 elements in the periodic table. You don't have to remember all these elements, but at least you should have the knowledge of first 20 elements.
Yeah.
So the proton number I am telling you, proton number of carbon is 6.
I found my periodic table.
Okay, so tell me what is the proton number for oxygen?
Wait. Okay, just give me a minute. For oxygen, right?
Yes.
Oxygen. Okay. Oxygen. Yeah, periodic number for oxygen is
Periodic number not, it is proton number.
proton number.
Yes.
And you're supposed to find it from the periodic table, right?
Yes. You have to remember it, but for now, you just tell me by using your periodic table.
Yeah, it's like it says I think it's 16, right?
No, 16 is the not proton number, 16 is the mass number. We will study what is mass number in the next slide. Proton number of oxygen is 8. That means there are 8 protons in the nucleus of an oxygen atom. Okay?
Yeah.
Now tell me the proton number for hydrogen.
Hydrogen and hydrogen.
Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. So its atomic number is also 1 because it is the first element in the periodic table. It have only one proton. And
Wait,
proton number for
so the element under hydrogen is 2, right?
no, element under hydrogen is not 2. Element under hydrogen is lithium, which is 3. Because 2, the element with the proton number 2 is helium, which lies above the noble gases at the right hand side of the periodic table. Its properties
Yes.
are different from it. I have told you, like, if you are having the elements in the same group, that means they are having similar chemical properties. But helium is an inert gas. It is a noble gas. It is unreactive. That's why it is not placed under hydrogen. It is placed differently above noble gases.
Yes.
So proton number for aluminium is?
Proton number for aluminum. Au is aluminium, right? Au.
No, Au is gold. Au is gold. Al is aluminium.
Al.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay, now A Al is aluminium, right?
Al is aluminium, right?
Yeah. Okay. Aluminium's number is 13.
Yes, very good. Aluminium proton number is 30. Okay. So have you
Yeah.
copied this slide?
This slide, not yet.
Okay, so copy it. Once done, please let me know.
Okay.
Example, if I ask you what is the charge on proton, okay, if I ask you what is the charge on proton, so what is the number of protons on sodium atom? Na. It is 11, right?
Yeah.
So I have told you, remember that in case of atoms, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Number of proton is equal to number of electrons in case of neutral atoms. Okay, sodium is neutral. You cannot see any charge, positive or negative here. So number of proton is
Yeah.
equal to number of electron, right?
Yes.
So tell me the number of electrons in sodium atom.
Number of electrons in sodium atom.
Yes.
Electrons in sodium atom. Wait.
So
Wait
if number of protons are 11, the number of electrons should be?
11.
Yes, very good. So it have 11 protons and 11 electrons. What is the charge on proton?
Charge in proton.
Positive or negative?
Proton is positive.
Yes. And
Then
electron is?
electron is no charge.
Negative.
Negative.
Neutron is no charge. You forgot.
Yeah.
Neutron is no charge.
Yes.
Write it down in your notebook so that you won't forget after it. So if you have 11 positive charge and 11 negative charge, so total they will cancel out. If you add the charge, 11 plus and 11 minus, so 11 plus charge you have and 11 negative charge you have. That means overall they cancel out each other. For example, plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Similarly, plus
Yes.
11 minus 11 is equal to 0. So the atom has no overall charge. That's why you write sodium atom only as Na. No positive charge and no negative charge. Clear? So what is the charge on sodium
Yes.
atom? So the charge on an atom is 0. Why? Because the number of proton is equal to number of electrons. Proton is positive charge, electron is negative charge. Okay, both cancel out each other. So the atom is neutral. Atom is neutral. Is it clear? The concept is clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, so please write it down.
Hey students, Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
So you remember that I told you that the atom size is very small as compared to the nucleus size is very small as compared to the atom. So if this is a football stadium, see how large it is. So this is your atom, and the nucleus is just a ball, cricket ball, or you can see it is the size of a pea. Remember this thing, that what I want to tell you here is that the nucleus is very, very, very small as compared to the atom. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how many electrons? So, as I already told you that sodium atom has 11 electrons, because in an atom, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So, write down this line that every atom has an equal number of protons and electrons. So, that is why atoms have no overall charge. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So, next thing is a nucleon number. So, we have completed what is a proton number. We have completed what is an electron number. Last thing is what is a nucleon number. So nucleons are what?
Yes.
Nucleons, protons plus neutrons, they form the nucleus. I told you that in the nucleus of an atom, this is nucleus. So in this we have proton and neutron, and electrons are revolving in the shells, right? These are my electrons
Yes.
which are revolving in the shells. So collectively, protons and neutrons, they are called as nucleons. If you want to, if it is very long to say protons and neutrons, so you will say in one word nucleons. So we can understand that you are talking about protons and neutrons. So it is written right down here that total number of protons and neutrons in an atom is called its nucleon number. Let us see an example for sodium. Okay, if I ask you that the proton number of sodium is 11, okay, and number of neutrons in sodium is 12. Okay, so what is the
Yes.
nucleon number?
The nucleon number will be 12 also. 12.
No. Nucleon number is what? Look at the definition. Total number of protons and neutrons. So you have to add protons and neutrons, 11 plus 12, right?
Yeah.
To get 23. So the nucleon number for sodium is 23. Okay. So lower number is always the proton number. If you are given two numbers, for example, I give you 11 and I give you 12. And if I ask you to tell me which is proton number and which is nucleon number. So always remember the lower number is always proton number. And the next number, other number is called your nucleon number. So you can straight away tell that sodium atom have how many neutrons? 12 neutrons. What is the charge on neutron?
The charge on neutron. So the charge on neutron is no energy. Sorry, neutral.
Yes, very good. It is 0, or you can say neutral. Okay, so is it clear what is the nucleon number? Total number of protons and neutrons in an atom is called its nucleon number. So if I give you total number of protons, if I give you total number of neutrons, and if I ask you to calculate nucleon number, so you can just easily add them and you can tell me the nucleon number. How to identify the proton number with the nucleon number? The lower number is always the proton. Okay?
Yeah.
Copy it down. I hope the difference is clear, right?
Yes.
Now look at the periodic table, this one. So here there are 20 elements which I am telling that you have to at least learn. Hydrogen, it is the first element. Symbol is H. Its proton number is 1. Helium is He. Lithium is Li. Beryllium is Be. Can you take a screenshot of this?
Okay. I'll do that.
Take a screenshot so that this will remain with you. Because there's nothing to explain. Elements, there are first 20 elements which are written here. Symbol, you have to learn all the symbols. Okay. Proton number is clear. Atomic number is called proton number. Electrons, you can see that 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. They are neutral atoms. So protons is equal to electrons. Neutrons is, you have to to calculate number of neutrons, there is a formula that is mass number minus atomic number. You just have to apply this and to calculate number of neutrons. If you have to calculate nucleon number, it is proton plus neutron.
Yeah.
So have you taken the screenshot of this?
Yes, I have.
Now this is a question you have to tell me that how many protons, neutrons and electrons are there in these 6 elements. So first one I am telling you, listen to me very carefully. If there is any doubt you can ask. Okay. The rest 5 you have to tell me the answers. So first one is proton, neutron, electron. So number of protons in hydrogen. So this lower number, it represents number of protons, which is also equal to atomic number. And this upper number, this represents mass number. So there is a formula to calculate number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic. So number of protons in this hydrogen is 1. Number of neutron is mass number minus proton number. 1 minus 1 is 0. Number of electrons is equal to number of proton, which is equal to 1. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So now tell me the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in boron. Calculate and tell me.
Proton, neutrons and electrons. Wait, should I take this down?
You have to tell me, yes, the number of protons, neutrons and electrons. Solve it in your copy. There is no need to solve. You can just look and tell me the answers. It is very easy now. Number of protons are?
Number of protons in B, right?
Yes. B is boron.
Boron. Okay, so number of protons in this is 5.
Neutrons?
Neutron will also be 5.
Why? Use this formula.
Wait. Mass number electrons. 11, sorry.
No, mass number minus atomic number.
Mass number minus atomic number. So, wait, so the mass number is 5.
No,
right?
mass number is this upper one. I've told you this mass number is this upper one. 11.
Okay. Mass number is 11 minus what?
Minus atomic number.
Minus atomic number. So
atomic number is
5.
So 11 minus 5 is
11 minus 5. Mm-hmm.
11 minus 5 is
6.
Yes. Number of electrons is
6.
Electrons.
Number of electrons is 5.
Yes, very good.
Plus.
No, only 5. No.
Only 5.
You have to remember only 2 things. Okay, listen to me very carefully. First thing is number of proton is equal to number of electron. Got it in the atom? Second thing is number of neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Very simple. Now tell me the number of proton, neutron and electron in oxygen. O is oxygen.
So, wait, teacher, then the number of proton will always be the number of electron, right?
Yes, in case of atom, these are atoms, right? They have no overall charge. The number of protons is equal to number of electrons in case of atom. This is not true in case of ions, which we will read further. But for now, you can remember that number of proton is equal to number of electrons when the atom is neutral in case of atom. So number of protons in oxygen is?
Wait, the number of proton in oxygen is 8.
Yes. Neutrons?
Neutron will be the what do you call it? Mass 16 minus 8.
Which is equal to?
8.
Yes. Number of electrons in oxygen?
8.
Yes, 8. Very good. Now these 3 questions, last row, is it your homework question? Please take a screenshot of this. You have to calculate protons, neutrons and electrons, right?
Yeah.
Done?
Wait, no, not yet.
Taken the screenshot?
Yes.